All right, so we're going over our passive tool. You can see there to get on the thumb turn of the inside lock, and he's going to try and turn it to unlock it from the outside. So we can use this on a non-priority call to get in, and we can also use it to re-secure the building when we leave. So we get in, and we also don't cause any damage. Or if you push in on the door, you're also putting pressure on it. The point is, there you go. Bang, right in. 53 seconds. Woo! Not bad. If it's tight, just pull the wedge out and jiggle the door a little bit while you're turning. There you go. In. Good job. So this one is just a swipe tool. This door is really easy. Just don't turn the handle when you're pulling it. Cool. So you went in all the way down and then angled it out?
Yeah, but that little
awesome.
hole, you gotta have something that